The quiet village of Haworth in England, the setting of Emily Bronte's masterpiece Wuthering Heights, has long been a place of literary pilgrimage. But today, the new big screen adaptation of the novel, starring Margot, Robbie and Jacob Elordi, is sparking renewed interest and attracting a new generation of visitors. This is where Emily and Charlotte Bronte have lived and written most of their novels.
I think the fact that there is a new version of Wuthering Heights that's just come out with a big star like Margot Robbie speaks to the power of these authors. To Emily, of course, who wrote Wuthering Heights, but also to her sisters. The fact that 200 years after they've died, that the world is still fascinated with their stories.
It's just really exciting at the moment. Everyone is talking about Emily Bronte in Wuthering Heights, and we've had lots of people to the museum, which for a quiet time of year, like February normally is really fantastic. Lots of young people, diverse people just talking about Emily. It's just extraordinary.